Hey, everybody, welcome to this week's edition of Let's Talk Teens with Dr. Kela. And of course, I am your host, Dr. Kela, board certified family practitioner, speaker, and award-winning author of your favorite book, Nia and the Numbers Game, A Teenager's Guide to Education, Relationships, and Sex. And yay, I am back on my original Instagram page. I am so happy to be back. For those of you who have been tuning in the last few weeks, I talked about perseverance. I definitely had to persevere for this page to come back, and I'm so thrilled that I am back. So keeping in line with my message for big, riveting change for 2023, today I want to talk about changing your attitude. Now, last week I talked about changing your algorithm. This week it's about changing your attitude. Hi there, Author Matt. Thank you for joining the live stream. So, what is attitude? It's a manner of thinking, feeling, or behaving that reflects your state of mind, or it's a way of carrying yourself. So today, I just want to mention 20 types of attitudes that we can adopt for 2023. And these are all good attitudes. Now, there are over 100 types of attitudes, but I'm only going to focus on these 20 because I think we can all make big, riveting change in 2023 by adopting these types of attitudes. So let's go down the list. Number one, assertive. Having an assertive attitude, that's about sticking up for yourself. Number two, adventurous. Being willing to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Number three, agreeable. Having an agreeable attitude means that you can get along with all different types of people. At least that's what I think about when I think of being agreeable. Number four, being brave. Taking action and again, stepping outside your comfort zone even when you may feel somewhat fearful. Number five, calm. Being able to maintain your composure even when things around you may be somewhat chaotic. Number six, caring. Thinking about others and putting their needs and their wants to the forefront. Number seven, cheerful. Having a cheerful attitude that just raises the energy in the room. It makes you happy and it's contagious. It helps to make other people around you feel better and happier as well. Number eight, confident. Being self-assured. Number nine, energetic. Having an energetic attitude, it's almost like being a magnet, right? You raise the energy in the room or in the environment and it draws people to you. Number 10, friendly. Well, this is pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? Right? If you are a friendly and kind person, people want to be around you, and you'll have a circle of people who you can count on, they can count on you, and you've got your crew. Number 11, hopeful. And this is an attitude I definitely have had over the past several weeks, is being hopeful that I could get my Instagram page back. And it worked. Having that hopeful attitude worked. Number 12, inquisitive. Being curious about the world around you and wanting to gain more and more knowledge. Number 13, open-minded. Now, with this type of attitude, you're willing to hear other people's point of view, and you're willing to perhaps change the way you think about something because now you have new information. Number 14, optimistic. This is another attitude that I chose to be very intentional about over the past couple of weeks while we were trying to get my Instagram page reinstated. When you're optimistic, you're thinking that things will work out in your favor and work out for the best. Number 15, patient. Right? Being able to take your time and wait for things to happen and for things to come to you, or just being patient with other people as they come around. Number 16, and of course you're probably expecting this one, a positive attitude, right? Again, this is one I had to tap into over the past few weeks, is to think positively that things would work out and I would get my page back. Whenever we're going through something that's difficult or trying, having a positive attitude helps better than having a negative one. In fact, there have been studies done about patients in the hospital who are given a terminal diagnosis, cancer. The patients who had a more positive attitude actually lived longer and had better outcomes than those who didn't. So a positive attitude is extremely important for 2023. And number 17, professional. So carrying yourself in such a way that people take you seriously. Number 18, responsible. Having a responsible attitude lets people know that they can count on you and that you are accountable. When you're given a task or given decisions to make, people know that you are going to do it, you're going to carry it out, and that they can come to you no matter what the outcome is, and you will be responsible. Number 19, thoughtful. And this is about being rational in terms of your thinking and also taking into consideration others, whether it's your family members, your friends, whoever is in your circle of influence, thinking about them and not just yourself. And last but not least, grateful. We've all heard the phrase having an attitude of gratitude. Going into each day being grateful for what we have is so important. I am grateful that I have my original Instagram page back. I am grateful for all the support that I'm getting for those of you who are following my page and enjoying this content. Well, that concludes this week's edition of Let's Talk Teens with Dr. Kela. I will see you all next week. Have a wonderful 2023, and remember, we want to change our attitudes. Bye now.